It's amazing to be in RIBA today because it's like a space that's always worked in a very specific way. And today we're really challenging that. We've got young people thinking about design in so many different ways. We've got so many exciting organizations really challenging what design is and what designers can be. So it's amazing to be part of it.
The Festival of the Future at RIBA brought together young minds and industry pioneers to explore new pathways into architecture. Across 2 days of workshop, talks and hands-on experience, participants gained tools and inspiration to shape the cities of tomorrow, making this more than an event, but a movement for change.
Today we joined the RIBA and Beyond the Box and many other partners here, holding a workshop for the younger people and children.
And today we're running an AI workshop, looking at how AI can help you in architecture.
So we're just prepping the structure. It's going to be a pop-up pavilion. It's kind of like a kid's answer to the Serpentine Pavilion. And it kind of shows that architecture doesn't have to be this big building that we're obviously standing in right now. The architecture can be something small and quite low-tech and hands-on. And I think that's quite exciting.
Hi there, I'm Raphael. I'm Benjamin's dad from Middleton School. We're at RIBA. We had so much fun building art and crafts. Benjamin built a rocket.
Hi, I'm Lucy from Pebwick Studio. So we're doing the In the Making session today. So the session kind of runs with a 20-minute presentation about who Heatherwick are. And then we come give the kids a chance to get into the design challenge. And they are given these discs. Yeah, that's what we're up to.
We are running a workshop based on designing a city for all Londoners, specifically for young women and girls in public spaces. So this workshop, they're currently doing some collages on thinking about themes that make public spaces more safer.
It's great to be at RIBA today. Yeah, really grateful for their space and their help with all of this. Couldn't have done it without them. And we are building monuments and art pieces that are all becoming a big cardboard city.
At the festival here at RIBA today, I have been bringing to life the theme of architecture, young children and families. We did a session for under threes, telling stories and singing songs about building materials.
It's fantastic for people to be here in such a great space, really, and it's great to have an opportunity to enjoy it.
This has been an absolutely incredible day. We're at the Festival of the Future, linking up with the Beyond the Box, linking up with so many other amazing organizations and getting young people to really think about what design can be and what it feels like to be designers.
The families have been really open to all the different creative activities, and they've been enthusiastic, and it's got a real buzz to it today.
And Beyond the Box has been brilliant in trying to bring together industry and make this event happen. So really impressed, and hope we have this again. Let's have more of these.